The Klein MM325 Multimeter offers versatile functionality by measuring alternating current and direct current voltage up to 600 volts, 10 amperes direct current, and 2 megaohms resistance. With LED alert protection, the multimeter's light-emitting diodes illuminate to ensure proper test lead placement, enhancing both accuracy and safety during measurements. The backlit display of the Klein MM325 ensures clear readings even in low-light conditions, providing enhanced visibility for users. A dedicated battery test mode allows users to efficiently check the operational status of batteries, adding to the multimeter's versatility. Designed with convenience in mind, it features test lead holders, a kickstand, and compatibility with an optional magnetic hanger for hands-free operation. This durable multimeter is built to withstand drops from 6.6 feet, making it suitable for residential, business, and light industrial environments.